Hey guys, I know it's been like a very long time since, I talked to you guys, whatever. I've been doing a whole bunch of running around because I had to find something to wear for my birthday. Everything that I ordered, either they messed up on the measurements or either it didn't come on time. And it's like, it's one thing after another. I had a freaking nail appointment at 10:30. The lady forgot, so now I gotta reschedule tomorrow. And so far, like, nothing is going as planned. My allergies is kicking my ass, and I don't know, I just hope that today goes smoothly. I'm gonna try to see if I can record me doing my install, but if not, I'll show you guys like the styling process or like bits and pieces of it. I don't know, I'll see. I don't know, like this year I'm just not really feeling it. Like, I'm just like, I'm not doing the most, so yeah. All right, so yeah, so basically I had found something last minute. I had ordered like a shirt or whatever, and or fashionable, because nothing was like coming. Like, nothing was either coming or either it was not what I ordered. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it was just like everything has been not going as planned. Now, I had scheduled an appointment to do my nails. Obviously, I didn't get my nails done because it was a whole mishap. Then I had to sit there and delay and reschedule my freaking lash appointment for a later time. Like, everything just did not go as planned. So, I just got my lashes done and my toes done, and I'm going to do my hair tonight. So that's going to be done, and then tomorrow I'm going to go and get my nails done. And then I'm going to basically do like a whole bunch of self-care skin products and stuff like that for during the day. So by the time nighttime comes and I'm ready to do my makeup, I will be, my skin will be kind of somewhat put together. Now, y'all just gonna basically just watch me do this install, and then, yeah. I'm sitting here debating, should I do a TikTok? Thoughts. But, yeah, so that's basically what's going on.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't he packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Okay, so now I cut the lace. It's not fully melted, but it's on there. It's on there, whatever. Yeah, so it's not fully melted, but it's on there. You know? What I'm about to do is going with the Dealer melting spray.
Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit.
And so it says that provides a strong hold yet removes easily, protect edges, and remove by shampooing. So shake well and spray across the hairline. Working sections, start on one section, apply the lace, and blow dry. So what I'm gonna do is
she a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
I'm gonna use the melting
No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends. friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but wanting my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her move.
So, don't mind this. I know it just like skipped right here. But anyways, I got my nails done, so here are the nails. You can't really see it, so I'm gonna show in like another separate video. And I'm gonna just put it like right here or whatever. But yeah, so I got my primer on me. I just don't watch me do my makeup. By the way, I'm using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I already have moisturized my face and my regular you know, routine for my skin for moisturizing. And I didn't film me doing my hair because like I was like really rushing, and I just wanted to just, you know, get everything out the way. So now that we got our primer on, we're gonna move on. So I bought a new, you know, eyebrow pencil from Anastasia. Mind you, no, let me follow my bands. No. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too. Okay. Like damn, she in her move. So the shade that I use, I'm gonna just put what I'm using like on the screen. Like damn, she in her move. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her move. Damn. Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her move. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her move. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love
love me but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her move. Damn.
So hey guys, so I forgot to record anything after I like cut off the video for the makeup because I had to concentrate. I was not like doing myself how I was supposed to be doing it. But get into the look, get into the look, get into the vibe. Makeup by your girl. And hey babe. So he took me where you took me.
We gonna go eat at
You should stay right here. You should lay right here. 'Cause everything's okay right here.